Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or disrupting normal business processes. Cybersecurity encompasses a wide range of measures and strategies to safeguard digital assets against these threats. For beginners, cybersecurity involves understanding the basic concepts and implementing simple yet effective strategies to stay safe online. Here are some key components of cybersecurity for beginners. 1. Awareness. Being aware of the various types of cyber threats, such as malware, phishing, ransomware, and social engineering, is crucial. Knowing how these attacks work can help you recognize and avoid them. 2. Strong passwords. Using strong, unique passwords for each online account is essential. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information like your name, birth date, or common words. 3. Updates and patches. Keeping your software, operating system, and applications up to date is vital. Software updates often contain patches for known security vulnerabilities, which hackers can exploit if left unpatched. 4. Antivirus software. Installing reputable antivirus or anti-malware software on your devices can help detect and remove malicious programs. Make sure to keep it updated regularly. 5. Firewalls. Utilize firewalls, which act as a barrier between your device and the internet, to monitor and block unauthorized access to your system. 6. Data backup. Regularly back up your important files and data to an external hard drive or cloud storage. In the event of a cyber attack or system failure, you can restore your data without losing valuable information. 7. Two-factor authentication. 2FA enables two-factor authentication whenever possible. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. 8. Safe browsing practices. Exercise caution when clicking on links or downloading attachments from unknown or suspicious sources. Verify the legitimacy of websites before entering personal information. 9. Privacy settings. Review and adjust the privacy settings on your social media accounts, web browsers, and other online services to limit the amount of personal information you share publicly. 10. Education and training. Continuously educate yourself about cybersecurity best practices through online resources, courses, and workshops. Stay informed about the latest threats and techniques used by cybercriminals. By implementing these basic cybersecurity practices, beginners can significantly reduce their risk of falling victim to cyber attacks and protect their digital presence. If you like this recording, don't forget to hit subscribe to see such more videos.